In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an Audible book. Whether you're preparing for a long journey or simply enjoy listening to books on the go, having your audiobooks downloaded directly to your device can be incredibly convenient. Let's dive into the process. First, launch the Audible app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you've opened the app, take a moment to let it load completely. This ensures that all features are fully functional. Next, you may be prompted to log in. Make sure you enter your details carefully. This step is important because it allows the app to access your purchased audiobooks and sync your progress. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you are logging into the correct one. Once logged in, you will have access to your entire library. Now tap the library icon, which you'll find in the bottom navigation bar of the app. This icon is your gateway to all the audiobooks you've purchased or downloaded. With the library open, you have a clear view of your collection. This is where you can manage your audiobooks, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Locate the audiobook you wish to download. As you scroll through your collection, you'll notice a downward pointing arrow icon on some of the book covers. This icon indicates which books are available for download. It's a quick visual cue to help you identify books you can listen to offline. When you find the book you want, tap on its cover art. This action initiates the download process, and you'll see a progress circle appear. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on the three-dot icon for more options. From the menu that appears, choose the download option. Either method works perfectly, so choose the one you find most convenient. Once the download starts, it's important to ensure your device stays connected to a stable internet source. This ensures that there are no interruptions during the download process. Wait patiently as the progress circle completes. This is the part where you can take a short break or prepare for your upcoming listening session. When the arrow icon disappears and a play icon appears, your download is complete. This signifies that the audiobook is now stored on your device. You can now enjoy your book entirely offline, without worrying about data usage or connectivity issues. Having your audiobooks downloaded means you can listen to them anytime, anywhere. Remember, downloading your audiobooks is not only about convenience, it also ensures you have access to your books even in areas with poor internet connectivity. This little step saves you a lot of time and potential frustration later on. Always make sure your downloads are complete before heading out. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an Audible book onto your device. Feel free to explore your library further and download more audiobooks as needed. Enjoy your listening experience and happy reading.